Good morning, everyone. Today we will be discussing our writing task, that is letter writing. There are two types of letters, as you already know, informal and formal letters. Let us first understand what are informal letters. Informal letters are the letters which are written to our friends, our relatives, our close ones to express our feelings to them, right? The letters may contain your feelings, may contain any news which you want to convey to that person. These are called informal letters because the style of writing is informal. You need not be very formal when you write these kind of letters. That is why these are called informal letters. Now, what is the format of writing an informal letter? First, we write sender's address. Sender's address means the one who is sending or writing the letter. Then comes date, which is in expanded form. As you know that formally wherever the date is written, that is written in expanded form. Then salutation. Salutation means you are writing dear friend, dear Reena, dear father, right? Then body of the letter. Body of the letter contains the information or the news which the sender wants to convey. वो न्यूज़ या इंफॉर्मेशन जो सेंडर कन्वे करना चाहता है, अपनी फीलिंग्स जो एक्सप्रेस करना चाहता है, वो सारा कंटेंट में आएगा. एंड स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग इज इनफॉर्मल हियर. देन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोजर और सब्सक्रिप्शन, इसमें हम लिखते हैं yours lovingly, yours truly, etc. And then name of the writer, name of the person who is writing the letter. Now coming to formal letters, let us first understand what are formal letters. Formal letters are business-like in tone, matter-of-fact in content, and written generally to persons not personally known. दे हैव अ स्पेसिफिक लेआउट. वो लेटर्स जो हम किसी बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किसी को लिखते हैं, उन लेटर्स में जो कंटेंट होता है दैट इज रिटन फॉर्मली, और उसमें जो हम सारे फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स जो हमारे पास होते हैं वो लिखते हैं. प्लस दीज लेटर्स आर नॉट रिटन टू द पीपल वी पर्सनली नो. बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है तो हम किसी को भी लिख सकते हैं, किसी के साथ जिसके साथ हमने बिजनेस डीलिंग करनी है उनको हम लिख सकते हैं. एंड इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट वी नो दैट पर्सन पर्सनली, राइट? सो इनमें जो स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग है दैट इज formal. That is why these are called formal letters. Now we can categorize broadly in five categories to these letters. First is business letters. Business letters are the letters which are written for business purposes. Business point of view से जो हम letters लिखते हैं उनको हम business letters कहते हैं. Next comes letter of inquiry. As the name itself suggests, the title itself suggests, किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में इंक्वायर करने के लिए जब हम लेटर लिखते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी. एग्जाम्पल्स आपके सामने है. इफ यू वांट टू इंक्वायर अबाउट सम एजुकेशनल कोर्स फ्रॉम सम इंस्टीट्यूट, or you want to know the cost of some product, then you write such kind of letters. Suppose I want to buy a fridge of Whirlpool company. So I want to inquire about their models, about the product, about the cost of the things. Then the letter which I'll write will come under this category, letter of inquiry. Next comes official letters. Official letters are written to the authorities or higher officials to complain about something. Means you have problem of stray dogs. There are so many stray dogs in your locality. You want that this should come in the notice of the authorities, and you will write a letter to the concerned authorities. Then these are called official letters. Then comes applications. Applications, as you know, you write application to the principal of your school, either for school leaving certificate or for uh, I mean, you can complain anything about your school, or fee concession you can write down. और another type is job applications. जब हम किसी job के लिए post के लिए apply करते हैं, then also we write application. Then comes letter to editor. Letter to editor हम कब लिखते हैं? To highlight any issue or subject with the help of newspaper. Means you want to convey your ideas, you want to express your feelings, you want that the people should be made aware about any topic or any issue, or you want to attract the attention of the people towards any topic or issue, then you write letter to editor. you get the attention of the people by getting your ideas published in the newspaper. So those letters are called letters to editor. Now, what is the format of writing a letter to editor? First of all, sender's address, the one who is writing the letter. Then comes the date, which is an expanded form, as you know. Then receiver's address. Now, in this case, when we are writing a letter to editor, who is our receiver? The editor. कौन सा एडिटर? उस पर्टिकुलर न्यूज़पेपर का जिसमें हम अपना लेटर पब्लिश करवाना चाहते हैं. तो दैट मे बी हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स और ट्रिब्यून और पंजाब केसरी, and then name of the city. Then subject is important to write because when you write a subject, the reader comes to know that what kind of content is he going to read further. So brief hona chahiye subject. It should not be a very long line. It should be two, 3 words conveying your idea, what you want to say in your letter. Then salutation, obviously you write dear sir or sir, both will go. Then body of the letter. Body of the letter contains the content which you want to write. आपके जो ideas हैं, जो आप express करना चाहते हैं views. Then complimentary closure. Complimentary closure में आप लिखते हैं yours truly, yours faithfully, and then name of the writer, the one who is writing the letter. Let us see an example. Write a letter to the editor expressing your views on ban polybags. Right? So first of all, sender's address is written here. Then date is written in expanded form. Receiver's address. Receiver's address, the editor, India Today, New Delhi. The editor कौन होता है? Designation है एक. जब हम letter in the newspaper लिखते हैं, तो we write to the editor. And then subject, ban polybags, and then comes the salutation, sir or dear sir, anyone would work, and then the content, whatever the content you are writing here, and then yours truly, the subscription you have written, and name of the writer is written here. So one mistake which the students commit here is when they write a letter to editor, they expect the editor to solve their problem. Sometimes when they are expressing it through the newspaper, sometimes when they are making people aware about the problems they are facing, they expect the newspaper editor to solve their problem. He is not going to solve the problem. Only the concerned authorities will solve the problem. So please keep this thing in mind when you wind up your letter, that editor will not solve the problem. You have to convey it to the authorities through newspaper, right? I hope the format is clear to you.